In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product module to your marketing email in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the module, how to place it in your email, and how to populate it with product details so your message looks polished and ready to convert. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. If you work in a shared portal, make sure you're in the right account and have permission to edit marketing emails. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and look for the marketing section. This is where HubSpot groups all of your promotional tools. Click into Marketing, then select Email. You'll land on the email dashboard where you can see all your draft, scheduled, and sent emails. Find the email you want to work on and click Edit. This opens the drag and drop editor so you can make changes in a visual way. Give the editor a moment to load your layout and content. You'll see a live preview in the main area and a panel on the left with modules and settings. In the left panel, locate the Products module. Depending on your portal, it may appear under a section like Ecommerce or Content. If you don't see it, check that your user has the right permissions and that your plan includes product modules. The module pulls information from your product library or connected e-commerce data, so having those items set up will make this step much smoother. Click and drag the Products module from the left panel into your email layout. Drop it exactly where you want the product to appear, above the fold for maximum visibility, or further down if it supports a longer story. As you place it, look for alignment guides so it fits cleanly within your columns. Now customize the module. In the editing panel, choose the product you want to feature, then adjust the image, name, description, price, and button text as needed. Keep copy concise and benefit-focused, and make sure the image is clear and sized appropriately. If you have multiple currencies or variants, select the right option so pricing is accurate. You can usually control layout details like the number of columns, spacing, and whether to show the price or a call to action button. Your changes will save automatically as you work, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. Just watch for the saved indicator and give it a second after each change to make sure everything is captured. That's it. Your product module is now added and configured within your marketing email.